another series of my Minecraft thing, and right now I have this wicked server. I'm on top of a mountain. I have a few trees growing and some seeds growing too. And I have 4 ladders, and I have enough coal to last me a few days. And so I'm going to go over here, down here, and my house sits on the side of the mountain. And right now I have 20 cooked steak and 5 non-cooked chicken. And I'm gonna look for if I have 11 wood. That's good. And I got 44 planks of wood. 44 wood planks. And I'll switch that for my ladder. And so, okay, I have 81 glass. And right now I am making a house on the side of a mountain. It's not as easy as you think, seriously. I'm gonna go up to my ladder and go into my bed. Okay, so I'm going to try to find... Okay, I'm gonna go to sleep right now. Okay, so a new morning. I have a tree floating, which is very awkward, I know, but it does have to happen sometimes because you can't reach the wood. So okay, so I have this right here. I have this, and I'm going to put a roof on it, and then I'm going to, I think that's, yeah, perfect. Okay, so right now I have this going. Now, since I have some ladders in my inventory that I just made, okay, that was, I heard just a sound. Okay, why is it not putting it down? Okay, so finally, I'm going up. Oh, crud. Sorry, folks that are looking at this video. It's kind of stuttering the video. So I'll just cut down that tree to get me some wood. Okay. So I kind of got everything I need. I think I have a chest. Actually, I don't have a chest. Oh, that's surprising. Okay, so I'll put it right. Go into my inventory, and so okay, I'm making a chest right now, and this is how you make a chest, and also plus a furnace, but you have to use cobblestone. That's how you make a chest, all around your crafting table, and you leave one space in the middle. That's also how you make a furnace, but that you have to get cobblestone. And plus, I don't need cobblestone because I already have a furnace to make a furnace. Okay, so I just need to put a few stuff in my chest. I am looking at a desert right now and another desert, but I don't need cactus because it's just fine. Cactus you can guard your house with, but I don't need cactus because it'll be floating on the side of a mountain, so I won't really need some cactus. Okay, in my last video, it shows you how to make a bed and not a pickaxe, but a bed. And so I'll show you how to make another furnace. Okay, a furnace, just to get it stuck in your head, because sometimes people like a visual looking of it. So I have my stone pickaxe, and it won't hurt me if I just have another another furnace. It won't hurt me, but it's just, oh dang it, wrong thing. Okay, I have 52 cobblestone. That I had it left over from the last thing I have. Okay, so right now I have this going. See, that's how you make a furnace. Just like a chest, but it's with cobblestone. And I have a few eggs. I hope I'll have enough. I have enough to chuck to get a baby chicken. Well, that's my lucky day. I was gonna waste of an egg, but who cares? It's not like I'm gonna die immediately. Oh, crud. Why do I keep on falling off that edge? Sorry, I just need to fix this problem with my computer. It keeps on stuttering. That happens with my last video too. So, I kinda... Oh! Good for me. Another tree grew. Or is that my old one? But who cares? I'll just have to cut it down. Because I need wood. I need as much wood as I can make to make a house on the side of a castle. And folks, if you want to see the next episode, go on to click on the thing, the blue letters, and it will take you to my site. So, end of video 1.